So hello guys, welcome back to Yofi Saputra channel. Yay! Okay, so actually this is my second video in 2022, and I think it will be special because this is the first time for me to meet someone that I've never visited or I've never met before. And yeah, can you guess what country is it? I give you 5 seconds. Okay, so the answer is Korean. Yay! So today I will meet someone from Korea, and who is she? So let me introduce you. Please welcome Hyebin. Yay! Hello Hyebin.
Hi.
안녕하세요.
Hello. 안녕하세요.
This is actually so surprising to me because this is the first time I met Korea. So how about you?
Yeah, it's my first time to meet Indonesian people too. So yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too. So the question is, why do you want to do a collab with me?
Yeah, because it's very new experience for me to take a video in YouTube. And also, I think you're good friends of mine. So yeah, I decided to shoot the video. Yay!
Yeah. Hopefully it will be something good to be shared from us. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So before we move on to our topic today, can you please introduce yourself, maybe in Korean?
Okay. Then I'll just introduce myself in Korean.
Okay, please.
Okay. 네, 안녕하세요. 저는 혜빈이라고 하고요. 저는 지금 대학생이고 휴학 중에 다른 일을 하다가 이렇게 친구의 부탁으로 유튜브에 나오게 되었습니다. 그래서 지금 제가 하는 말을 다 이해하실지는 모르겠지만 구독자분들께서 어쨌든 저는 이렇게 오늘 나와서 한국어에 대한 기초 그런 구문들이랑 그 다음에 한국에 대한 좀 재미있는 사실들을 공유하려고 나왔습니다. 네, 반갑습니다.
Oh yeah, I don't know the meaning. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So can you tell me in English?
Okay, so simply I'll just translate this into English. So my name is Hyebin and I'm currently college student, senior year. Yeah, I'm here to give you some examples of basic Korean phrases, and also I'm gonna tell something Korean about fun facts about Korean. So yeah, nice to meet you like this.
Okay, yeah, nice to meet you too, Hyebin. Wow. It might be something good to be shared today because we would like to learn a lot of things about Korea. The first thing is about the language, and then also the fun facts that people don't know a lot about Korea. Before we go on to the first section, I think I would like to ask you a question, maybe. Have you ever teach Korean before?
Korean?
Yeah, have you ever teach
Yes,
Korean?
yes. Yes, I have experienced that.
So how long have you been teaching Korean?
I taught Korean in academy for 1 to 2 years, and also I taught Korean one-on-one class for 1 year.
Oh, it means that you will be a good teacher for us.
Yeah, maybe it's like part-time job, but yeah, anyway.
Are you ready to be my teacher today? And for my
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, so here we go. Let's get started. What is the first thing that you would like to teach to us?
Do you know anything about Korean or?
The only thing that I know is only about the way how to greet. 안녕하세요. That's it.
Okay. Yeah, 안녕하세요. Okay.
안녕하세요. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's the correct.
Oh,
That is correct. That is correct. Okay. Okay. Nice, student.
Okay.
There is 2 ways to say. There is 2 types in Korean. So one is official language, like polite way to say.
Okay.
And second one is casual language. So you have to learn both of them, and you have to choose what to say every time you met people. Okay, so for example, we're friends and we're like similar age. So if you meet me, then you can say 안녕, not 안녕하세요. You can say me 안녕. 안녕. Like this. So,
it reminds me to a song. Do you know that song?
Oh, what song?
Actually, it was sung by Joy of Red Velvet.
Okay, I know her. Yeah.
Yeah. The title is Hello, and the lyric says 안녕, like that.
안녕. I never heard of that song, but it's a
Yeah,
cute
so
song.
you have to listen it like later, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. I'll listen it.
Okay, so what's next?
So, you can say 안녕 when you first met someone, or like say bye bye. It's also 안녕. So 안녕.
Okay, so both of them
And-
have does it have the same meaning?
안녕 have just hi, or bye bye.
Okay,
Same. Next phrase. So if you want to say thank you, like official way, so polite way to say thank you is 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Oh, that's nice. 감사합니다.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that was good pronunciation.
Yeah, I'm so lucky that it is correct.
Yeah, so 감사합니다 like this. But if you
감사합니다.
want to say that in casual word, then you have to say 고마워.
고마워.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah,
Oh, thank you.
nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Third one is sorry. So you can say like 죄송합니다. 죄송합니다.
Once more, please.
죄송합니다.
죄송합니다.
합니다. Yeah, great. So 죄송합니다. We say that word with like this. 죄송합니다, like this.
Oh, so we have to
It's
bow.
I'm so sorry.
We have to bow ourselves and then say 죄송합니다 like this.
Yes. To polite way, and you can say me like 미안해 in casual way.
Actually, 미안해 is more famous. I mean, more common.
Oh, more common.
Yeah, more common 미안해. I think, yeah.
Yeah, 미안해 is much more easy to say.
Yeah. Okay, so is it okay if we say 미안해 to the older, or is it forbidden?
No, it's not like forbidden, but it's not. Older people think it's unpolite if you say 미안해 to them, so don't do that.
Okay, so it means that 미안해, it is for someone that it is as old as us, correct?
Yeah.
Today I've got already 3 phrases.
Yeah. Don't forget it.
Okay, and then what's next?
And why don't we introduce ourselves in Korean? You already learned 안녕하세요. And then after that, you have to say, my name is blah blah, right?
Yeah.
So, 제 이름은?
제 이름은?
Yeah, right. That is my name is.
Oh.
And then you have to put your name next to that. 제 이름은? Blah blah. So, my name is Hyebin. So, I can say, 제 이름은 혜빈입니다. 입니다 is just not, 입니다 have no meaning, but we have to put for just polite way. So, 제 이름은 혜빈입니다. Like this.
Oh. Because this is
Can
the
you do
first
it?
time for me to learn Korean. I think it's difficult
okay.
to listen for the first time.
Okay, let's do it slow way. 제 이름은
제 이름은
유비입니다.
요비입니다. Okay, 입니다.
Oh, great. Yeah, that's one
Okay,
sentence.
I will try for me once more, yeah, please.
Okay, sure.
제 이름은 요비입니다.
Oh, that was nice. That's nice one.
Good. Yay! Yeah, actually, this is a bit confusing, yeah, how to learn Korean, because maybe I just listened some words before, like 미안해, 고마워, and then 안녕. Maybe that's
right.
Yeah, that's maybe more common words in Indonesia.
Where did you learn?
I think I just listened to K-pop songs.
K-pop.
Yeah, I listen to K-pop. That's why I know that words.
I want you to learn nice to meet you.
Okay,
in
nice
Korean.
to meet you in Korean.
Yeah, so 만나서 반갑습니다.
반갑습니다.
Yeah, right. 만나서 반갑습니다.
I think I have to take a breath first.
Okay.
Okay.
Are
Once
you okay?
more. Make it slow. Once more.
Sure. 만나서
만나서
반갑습니다.
반갑습니다.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me try it. Okay. I forgot. Oh, I'm so stupid.
Okay. That could happen. Yeah, because it's your first time, so don't worry.
Yeah.
So 만나서 반갑습니다.
만나서 반갑습니다.
Yay!
Oh, yay!
Yeah, you're doing good.
Yeah, but actually maybe the difference is how to pronounce it, because this kind of words is rarely to mention in Indonesia, and it sounds different with our language. That's why I think it's difficult for me to pronounce it.
It's totally different as Indonesian.
Yeah,
I
it's so
see.
different in Indonesia rather than comparing to Korea. That's
Then
why
it must be hard for you to learn. Yeah.
that's why I sometimes it's difficult for me to pronounce it.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
Okay.
That's fine. Yeah, it's your first time.
Yeah, because this is the first time actually to meet Korean, and maybe I get nervous. Yeah.
Sure. Right. Okay.
Okay. So that's all, or anything else that you want to tell me or teach me?
Then let's learn just one more thing to say bye bye and
Okay.
see you later, like this.
Mhm.
So you can say 다음에 또 만나요. 다음에
다음에
또
또
만나요.
만나요.
Yes, that means see you later. 다음에 또 만나요.
다음에 또 만나요.
Oh, good. Yeah, 다음에 또 만나요. Yeah, that's see you later again. Bye bye, like that. Good.
It means that I have to take course with you later after this. But that's all about the basic phrase in Korean.
It's very basic.
Yeah. Actually, I have a question to you.
Okay.
Sometimes I still confused about the way how to differentiate every particle in Korean.
Particle. Okay.
Yeah. Do you know the particle maybe like si and then ya, hyebin ya or hyebin si?
Yes.
Yeah. So how can we differentiate the particle usage?
So it's all about official, polite way to say or casual way to say. So if you already know somebody, you can use or ya. So hyebin like this. You can say it that way because you already know me. But if it's our first met, or if somebody is older than you, or even if you are met somebody like for a lot of times, but you are still like awkward, your relationship is not so good, you always have to put she behind the person's name. So hyebin she, that is very official way to call me in your workplace, or like very official place when you have meeting like that. You always have to put she. You'll be she like this.
Okay, so it means that every particle has its own usage, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so what other particle that we have to know in Korea?
Yeah, there is one more, but it's not very usual thing. So I'm not sure if you have to learn this or not, but do you want to know?
What is it? Can you tell me?
Yeah, it's dim.
Dim? Yeah, what is it mean?
It has no meaning, so you just have to put behind someone's name. But it's not it's very rare one to say. So it's similar as she.
Okay.
But she is more official way to say. Dim is same usage as she, but Koreans didn't use it a lot of times. So yeah, but it's same usage. So yeah, you can learn it.
Now I know the difference between all of them.
Okay.
Yeah, thank
Good.
you, Hyebin. 고마워.
천만에. You're welcome.
Okay, so one last thing that I would like to ask to you about this. And then how to call someone who is older than us?
It depends on the relationship. So is the person is your sibling or like totally anonymous or who?
For the example, maybe about our parents, maybe like our mom, our dad, or maybe other family member.
Or family, for your mom and dad, you can just say 엄마, 아빠, like mom and dad in Korean.
Oh, 엄마, 아빠.
Oh, 엄마, 아빠, that is mom, dad, like this. Everyone
Yeah,
call like 엄마, 아빠, so,
it
or
sounds
like
so
어머니, 아버지.
귀여워.
아, 귀여워.
Yeah, 귀여워.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, so you
Yeah.
can say 엄마, 아빠, like this.
Mm.
Yeah, I always call my mom and dad as 엄마, 아빠, like this.
And
So you can just call like that. And if you have your sister,
mhm.
you can call her older sister as 누나. 누나.
Nuna.
Yes.
Okay. So what's the difference between Nuna and Ani?
언니 is I'm female,
Mm-hmm.
and if I have older sister, then I have to call her 언니.
Oh,
But you are male, right?
yeah.
So if you have siblings, older sister, you have to call her 누나 because you're male and I'm female. It's the difference.
Okay, got it. So what about if we call our teacher?
Yeah, that's the difference between Korean and American style because in United States you just have to call your teacher's name, right?
Yeah.
But in Korea you have to put 선생님 behind teacher's name.
Oh.
선생님. Yeah, that means teacher.
So can you give me example for it?
So yeah. So for example, if you are a student and I'm a teacher, you can't call me as just Hyebin. No, you have to call me as Hyebin 선생님.
Oh.
Like this. Yeah, you just put 선생님 behind person's name. 요기 선생님, Hyebin 선생님, 민지 선생님, like this.
Okay. So I've got some new learning from you, and I think I will learn more
Okay.
about Korean.
Sure, yeah. But you already know a few things like 귀여워, 고마워, 미안해, like this.
Yeah, because most of them are some common words that's mostly used by Indonesian when they are watching K-dramas, and also they are listen to K-pop.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay.